Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our tutorials. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many Instagram users are facing: the Add Yours template not working. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head over to the App Store. If you're on an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search for Instagram and see if there's an update available. If there is, go ahead and update your app. Sometimes the Add Yours template might not work because you're using an older version of the app. Once your app is updated, open Instagram and check if the Add Yours template is working. If not, let's move on to the next step. For Android users, clearing the cache can help resolve many app-related issues. Go to Settings, then Apps, and find Instagrams. Tap on Stories and then Clear Cache. For iPhone user, you can offload the app. To do that, go to Settings, then General, then on iPhone Storage, and find Instagram. Then tap on Offload App. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. After offloading, reinstall Instagram from the App Store. Once you've cleared the cache or offloaded the app, open Instagram again and check if the issue is resolved. Another reason the Add Yours template might not be working is due to a poor connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong mobile signal. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. If your connection is stable and the problem persists, let's move on to the next step. Sometimes simply logging out and logging back into your account can fix the issue. Open Instagram. Go to your profile, then tap on three lines in the top right corner and scroll down and tap on Logout. After logging out, close the app completely, then reopen it and log back in. And check the Add Yours template again. If it's still not working, what we can do is the problem might be on Instagram's end. So as a last resort, you can contact Instagram support. Go to your profile, then tap on three lines. Then go to Help. Here, report a problem. You can report problem without checking. Describe the issue you're experiencing with the Add Yours template and submit the report. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix the Add Yours template issue on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.